Oh, damn, I think it's that one, isn't it?
Is this 4-7?
Yeah, I think.
This is 4-7.
This is 4-3.
Huh?
This is 4-3. Shit. We're gonna have to fix their lock, change their lock. Hey, we do apologize. We have the wrong house.
Do you want to see some of the dumbest cops in the entire country? And where are they from? Of course, Pasco County, Florida. About a month ago, it was in the news, and I even did a video on this, that the cops showed up at the wrong address to serve an eviction. Well, now, thanks to Jeff Gray from Honor Your Oath Civil Rights Investigations, he provided me the entire raw body cam footage from the cops' perspective. And this is absolutely comedic gold. And it's also sad at the same time. Take a look.
Matter, just going to continue to be passionate about what I believe, and no matter what I give them.
Let me explain what's happening here. These genius government employees are supposed to be serving an eviction at 17047. Instead, they go to 17043. But they were confused. Why? Well, there were dogs at both houses. They could hear dogs barking at both houses. Perfectly reasonable mistake, right?
Nah, they all look the same after a while.
We were sitting right here, too. I think they had a dog.
We're talking to Carly Coppice. She's Weld County Clerk and Recorder in Greeley, Colorado.
Let's go.
We're here to meet you. You're the man. I know we're all a little early, but that's not good. I hear a dog inside, though.
Oh, no.
I hear a dog inside.
Just go ahead and try not to notice the number on this house as these two police officers walk by it. Go ahead, try not to notice it.
Give him 1032 and response.
Or is that next to it?
I don't know, it's hard to tell. There's a dog cage in the front porch.
K1, I'm 1012 and individual 11
What's that?
It's inside.
Great.
K1, I copy 1012, the individual on me, status 10-4.
Last week?
Last week?
Yeah.
That's a week?
Yeah. And I looked in CCIS, nothing's been changed.
You got keys?
I don't got keys now.
You got a way to get
bro, they moved nothing. Holy cow.
in? It's locked.
We usually have the electric code, but I guess this one wasn't installed on this
Let's try the back.
Great. There's nobody home either. You checked this morning?
K1, confirming that the
I
hitchhiker.
checked CCIS and I called the lawful and they said this is locked.
26.
Alright, so if he wants to start drilling,
Oh, shit.
let me see if I can find yeah, if you want to start drilling.
Start drilling the lock.
Yeah. Let's see if I can find a name of this person's revenue. No numbers.
Might as well get animal control on the phone. Want me to call them?
Well, let's see if they're inside first. You know, a lot of times they could be ducking us, just not coming to the door.
You go ahead and start drilling.
Yeah, go ahead, start drilling.
Think they're inside?
I got a feeling.
Think they come to the door with the drilling the locks out.
Where's the dog now?
Tag 1, go ahead.
I don't hear it now. You?
I'm getting bits
That's
of
my
pieces
thing.
on time channel. Did they locate that subject or no?
Open up the door, because we're coming in.
So I remember this. This is our third time posting this.
Is it?
Yeah, you posted.
Oh, there's that.
You posted it. We canceled. Zach posted it. Canceled.
So they've posted it 3 times, and somehow they remember being at this house before. Yet they haven't. This is the wrong house. And they actually just walked by the house next door. And I cut out some of the drilling, but they're drilling and drilling. These guys can't even get into this house. It really does remind me of, it's very Home Alone-esque. But now, finally, the homeowner realizes what's going on, and it just goes downhill from there.
You should never cancel.
Hello?
Hold on a second.
We're here to finalize the eviction.
It was posted a week ago.
It was posted last week. Yes, ma'am.
We got three, huh?
What is your name? Jennifer, what's your last name, Jennifer?
Hey. Is this 4-7 or 4-3?
Oh, shit. Oh, damn, I think it's that one, isn't it?
Is this 4-7?
Yeah, I think
This is 4-7.
this is 4-3.
Huh?
This is 4-3. Shit. We're gonna have to fix their lock, change their lock. Hey, we do apologize. We have the wrong house. It's the next door neighbors. What we're gonna have to do is they're gonna have to repair their locks. I don't know how. 15, okay, we'll be here. Do you have anything that can fix our lock?
Then we'll have to put in a work order, have somebody come out with that stuff. I don't care. That's
All right, we'll wait for you. Shit.
I should have checked the.
I know, yeah. Nah, it's 4-7. Shit. 4-7. Yeah, it looks familiar. I mean, I remember all that. Yeah, well, that happens. It's a mistake.
Is there a Pasco lock on this thing?
Oh, damn, I think it's that one, isn't it?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hey there. Oh, what's up, buddy? What's
We're
up?
here to finalize the
Hold
eviction.
on. Let me come up. Can I come up around back or something?
You come on out, but
Yeah, have them.
shit. What's this one? What was it?
4-7.
Shit.
Yeah, it looks familiar. I mean,
Is he gonna replace the lock or what?
they're gonna put in a work order. I don't come out and do it. She's the lady's on her way over here now, so we're gonna have to explain to her it was a mistake.
Oh man.
That's us.
Apparently they've done this type of stuff before, though obviously this one takes the cake.
Yeah, well, that happened.
One time I posted it on the wrong house, and it was one next door, and I don't know what I was thinking. I guess I got it wrong when I typed in the computer. So I go up to do the final and knock on the door, because that day I got the right number in the computer, and he goes, I don't know what you're talking about. He says, I never got a notice. I said, and a lot of people say that. And then I happened to look next door, and the notice was still next door. And I'm like, oh, man.
So you had to give him 24?
I had to give him another 24. I actually gave him 48.
Yeah.
I was like,
I
okay,
think I've done
my
something
bad.
like
It's a good thing the house next door was vacant.
Yeah.
Nobody had torn the notice off. It's like, oh my God.
And here they're about to throw the locksmith under the bus.
Well, at least they got a repair, not us. We didn't break it.
Is it one of their houses too?
No. But I'm just saying, we're not the ones that force entry.
Yeah, but we don't.
But he even said I should have looked at the number too. We all should have looked at the number, I guess. Well, we all messed up on that one, I guess. It happens, man.
Then they figure they better go call their supervisor before the lady complained. And this is just absolutely hilarious.
Yeah, maybe I ought to tell Starge just in case this lady complains.
Yeah, why don't you want to go ahead and call him real quick?
Yeah, I'll call.
The election, not as much as it is now, but it definitely still is going to continue moving forward.
Hey, how you doing?
Doing well. How are you doing?
All right. Hey, we're doing an eviction down here in, I guess it's Lutz. Anyway, somehow Troy got the wrong number, and nobody came to the door, and there was a locksmith, so he started drilling the lock. But the lady had a Ring camera, and she said, "Hey, what are y'all doing there?" And I explained it. She says, "I don't know anything about an eviction." They all say that. But I guess Troy got the number wrong on a house and went out and looked at she said, this is 17043, and it's like, oh shit. Anyway, the guy that manages the houses is going to just replace the lock, and she seems cool with it. She said, okay, just, shit happens. But we're doing the eviction on the real house now. This is one we've tried to evict 3 times, and it keeps going back in a circle.
So, let me make sure I hear what you're saying. We posted an eviction.
Right.
We posted a notice on a location. Today, we show up with the property manager. The property manager calls for a locksmith. The locksmith drills it out. And in the process, it's then discovered that we posted at the wrong location.
No, that we executing at the wrong location. He started drilling the lock. It didn't complete. Didn't go inside. So we didn't go inside. We never made entry. And he's just going to have to replace the deadbolt. He's got one with him. So
I'm just confused as how we entered the wrong location and all that.
I thought when we pulled up right in front of the house and got out of the car and Troy said, yeah, this is it. So we went up to the door and knocked on it like normal. It's an oversight, I guess, on all of us, because not all 3 of us didn't notice that.
That's what I'm saying. You, Troy, and the property manager or the homeowner didn't know that was the wrong place. That's confusing.
Well, it is a little confusing, but
listen, I get it. We're human. We make mistakes. I'm just trying to figure it out. I'm trying to wrap my head around that one.
well, we all made a mistake. I hear you, but
you know what I mean? If I went up and posted a sticker on the wrong house, I get it. If I went back the next day and it was still wrong, I get it. But then for the freaking landlord to say, yep, this is it, and it's not.
Yeah, well, that's what happened, because
I guess that's where I'm trying to wrap my head around it, because, we make mistakes all the time. That shit happens. We don't like to make them, but we do.
right, but that's what happened, and I guess they manage a lot of houses. I don't know.
Yeah, well, it's our bad was the improper posting. Their bad for the damage. So glad everything worked out.
Right. Yeah, it's fine. The lady's coming home, so she can unlock the door, and he's going to replace the lock
right now.
Yeah, he's going to do it right now. But we never made entry or anything like that. So.
Interesting. Okay.
All right. Yeah, just letting you know everything's good. No problem. So.
Okay.
I guess the guys got plenty of locks.
Good. Sounds good.
Yeah.
Thanks, brother.
All right. No problem. Bye. He's cool.
But everything's not good. Now the homeowner arrives, and she's not happy, obviously.
Hello. Hey, how you doing? Hey, so it was an accident.
I understand it was an accident. Whose responsibility is it to read those numbers?
It was all of ours.
Okay. And what company are you from?
Invitation Homes.
And what company is that? Is that HOA? Is that a mortgage company?
It's a renter company.
Okay. Do you have a card?
I don't have a card.
Okay.
We're replacing the lock now, so we're going to get you a new lock. We didn't touch
I
the
need
bottom
multiple keys because I need keys for every single person that needs to have a key.
I don't know how many it comes with, but
How many? It comes with 2.
Do you hear that? There's 3 dogs in there that I can't get to.
Mm-hmm.
Do you understand? Who do I need to take this up with? I am shaking right now because I am so incredibly upset.
ma'am, it was an accident.
And I understand that. Look what you fucking did.
It wasn't. It's not a big deal. It's
not a big deal. My dogs are inside.
Okay. We didn't go in.
We didn't go inside your house.
We're replacing it.
He's going to replace the lock.
They showed the wrong fucking house.
Yeah.
Oh my Lord. You got your video running? Run it.
And now they're in evidence collection mode, filming her on her own property being upset at their mistake.
Fixing it.
Why can't you get into your dogs?
Yes, ma'am. And I don't know if I lost. You know what? Can you go in through my back door? I don't.
Why can't you use this? Why can't you go through here?
Did you already change the lock?
No, we didn't do anything. We drilled the little holes on the side of it, but it's still good. We didn't get in.
I want something. I want something.
What do you mean you want something? I don't know what that means.
I want like an apology.
We're offering a huge apology.
I'm sorry, man. There was I think you did mess up that line.
I did it? All right.
Yeah.
Go in through my back door. I don't think I locked it when I left.
You want me to climb the fence?
Man, it was an honest mistake, and we do apologize. We've got so many of these right now, and we're backed up, and we're trying to get them all done. And
My number's on the fucking house.
yes, ma'am, you're absolutely right. It is on the house. Sorry, man.
And I totally get that it was a mistake, but I hope that you guys see it from a homeowner's
Oh, I
perspective
do.
that is
I do.
totally caught up on everything. And when I have
I got
my
it.
Ring camera going off and I see a drilling
Yeah, we were
at my
trying to
door,
make in contact with you, and that probably would have solved everything, but that's the lady that got involved. You know her?
yes.
And she had a dog too, and that's what threw us off. Because she had a dog, we heard barking, and then we heard your dog barking. I think that's what threw us off.
And I was presenting on the content of being a fly.
Oh God, I need to hurry up and bring that lock. I need to hurry up and bring that lock. Oh, here it is. Hopefully, right here. Hopefully. Perfect.
That company, that truck that just drove by, is that your company, Invitation Homes?
Yes.
And just to let you know, ma'am, it's not just his fault. It was all of our faults. We were all at fault.
I was she called
Your fault too.
they're drilling at my house.
I'm almost finished with this. I don't know.
All right, cool.
Once we get everything settled over there, I don't know how long you guys
Well, I'm gonna stay until you change the locks. Yeah, I don't want to leave you here by yourself. Yeah.
appreciate it.
Plus, I want to keep my body camera rolling just in case anything
Yeah.
is said or you know what I mean.
You got that lock?
She's on her way back now. She should be here in a minute.
Can you just change the handle too?
Oh, we didn't mess the handle up, did we?
Yeah, but so that they match.
Why they matching now?
So they match.
Let's see what this lock looks like first, I guess.
Can you just change the handle too?
Oh, we didn't mess the handle up, did
Yeah, but so that they match.
we? Why they matching now?
So they match.
Let's see what this lock looks like first, I guess.
Get back here. Jesus. Stop recording.
Remember, government is inherently incompetent, and that is Florida, where they have a permit for everything, a tax for everything, any number of useless government employees, and can't complete any basic task that they're assigned. I want to thank Jeff for sharing the raw footage with me here. I think this is really instructive. Thanks for watching. Remember, freedom is scary, especially in Pasco County, Florida.